Okay, in this video we're going to learn how to make a cube with a letter on the cube. And then we're going to make a letter for each, to spell our name out and assemble it. So first we're going to start with File, New. We're going to make sure you're in English units. We're going to do it in inches. Select Standard Part. Okay, start 2D Sketch, XY Plane. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start with a rectangle. We're going to draw one out. Click on Dimension. Let's make the top line 1 inch. The right side also 1 inch. Once you have this square made, finish your sketch. Extrude it also 1 inch. And most time it defaults to 1 inch. Okay, select OK. We'll click on the house to center it back up. Now I want to put a letter on the side. So we're going to start a 2D sketch again. Click on the side we want to put our letter on. Click on Text. Click where you want to put the text. Okay. Let's see. 120 thousandths is going to be too small because we have 1 inch, so it's going to make that, let's make it 8/10. And type the first letter of your name. Okay, once you've done that, select OK. Now, if you try to click here, it's going to like you're trying to make another letter again. You have to get out of the tool first. You can hit 3 ways you can do that. You can hit Escape on your keyboard. You can right-click and select Escape, or select OK. Once you've done that, you can now move it and center it up like you would like. All right, let's finish our sketch. Okay, now let's extrude. Let's make it come out, say 1/10 of an inch, because 1 inch is way too much. Now we have our letter. Now let's color it. Let's see, I'm going to select the whole block. Select the color wheel, and let's make it blue. Once you've done that, if you want to add another color, if you want to change the front of it, you just hit the plus sign. Let's see. Let's select maybe yellow, and that didn't work. I selected the wrong one. Let's try this again. Select the letter that I want to change the color to. We'll make it yellow. Hit the check when I'm done. Now, let's save this. So we're going to go File, Save As. We must go into our folder. This time we're going to right-click after we select our folder. We're going to do New Folder. And, you put your first name. And let's put name block. Okay. Double-click on the yellow folder. And let's call this one the C block. Or we can call it block C. How about that? Okay. Select Save. Okay, in the next video I'm going to show you how to make several of these easily.